Did you know that more than 60% of people use go when they should say gone? Think you're not one of them? Try testing your grammar skills and find out. Question 1. Choose the correct form of the verb. She dash to the store every Saturday. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Going. D. Gone. Answer. B. Goes. Explanation. We use goes because she is a singular subject, and we add es to the verb. Question 2. Which sentence is correct? A. He don't like pizza. B. He doesn't likes pizza. C. He doesn't like pizza. D. He don't liking pizza. Answer. C. He doesn't like pizza. Explanation. Doesn't is the correct form for negative sentences with he, and we use the base form like after doesn't. Question 3. Fill in the blank with the correct article. I saw dash elephant at the zoo. A, B, and C, the D, some. Answer. B, an explanation. We use an before words that start with a vowel sound, like elephant. Question 4. Choose the correct pronoun. Dash is my friend. A. He. B. Him. C. His. D. They. Answer. A. He. Explanation. He is the subject pronoun that refers to a male person. Question 5. Which sentence uses the past tense correctly? A. I see a movie yesterday. B. I saw a movie yesterday. C. I seen a movie yesterday. D. I watch a movie yesterday. Answer. B. I saw a movie yesterday. Explanation. Saw is the correct past tense of see for something that happened yesterday. Question 6. Select the correct preposition. The book is dash the table. A. In. B. On. C. At. D. Under. Answer. B. On. Explanation. On is the correct preposition to show that the book is resting on top of the table. Question 7. Choose the correct plural form. There are many dash in the garden. A. Flower. B. Flowers. C. Flowers. D. Flower. Answer. B. Flowers. Explanation. We add s to make flower plural, resulting in flowers. Question 8. Fill in the blank with the correct form of to be. They dash happy to see you. A. Is. B. Are. C. Am. D. Be. Answer. B. Are. Explanation. Are is the correct form of to be for the plural subject, they. Question 9. Which sentence is in the future tense? A. I will eat dinner at 6 p.m. B. I eat dinner at 6 p.m. C. I ate dinner at 6 p.m. D. I am eating dinner at 6 p.m. Answer. A. I will eat dinner at 6 p.m. Explanation. Will eat indicates an action that will happen in the future. Question 10. Choose the correct form of the adjective. This test is dash, then the last one. A. Easy. B. Easier. C. Easiest. D. More easy. Answer. B. Easier. Explanation. We use easier to compare two things. The form is used for one-syllable adjectives like easy. Share your results in the comments. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more English tips, and don't miss our next video on advanced grammar tricks. Keep learning and improving.